at Tir Morfa Special School here in Rhyl. The site's been chosen, the building lends itself to these heat pumps that we're going to talk about, and as you can see, it's one of the lovely sites here in Denbighshire County Council. We were on gas here at the school. The council in 2019 voted to become a carbon neutral council by 2030. So we're looking at all our properties right throughout Denbighshire, and this was chosen as one of them.
This was one of the schools that was highlighted for a possible installation because it's a relatively new build and the system here is built with underfloor heating, so when it comes to putting in the air source pumps, it's just a straight conversion over. There's no heating alterations. It'll work at the temperatures designed with the system that we've got.
The two ECOMOD 32 kilowatt heat pumps have been installed outside, just outside the boiler house, as you can see behind me, running in cascade into a 500 litre buffer.
As part of the scheme to put the heat pumps in, we thought, right, we'll put PV in and battery storage, so that makes it a lot more economical. So during the times when the heat pump's not running, we can store the electricity, then we can run off the batteries when the sun's not shining.
It's all interlinked, so it's all part of a bigger project from that Denbighshire have. So they've been putting PV panels on a lot of the buildings. They're trying to get as much solar as they can into the systems and basically move away from any of the old fossil fuels that they can and go as carbon neutral as possible. Installing the ECOMOD heat pump has been generally no different to installing a system with gas boilers. They both work in generally the same way, it's just how the heat is derived that's the difference from the gas. I'd definitely recommend Ideal products, and their commercial side of it especially. We've had nothing but help. We've always found them easy to work with, the technical team's helpful, and Jason and the lads that are here today doing the modulating air source pumps, been a great help throughout.
It's been absolutely brilliant actually. Once reading about what Ideal have done with these air heat pumps, I hadn't seen them before, and seeing the work there, knowing that this is going to give us underfloor heating for the school, and being able to store the electricity from the roof so it doesn't go to the grid, it is ideal.
For further information on ECOMOD commercial heat pumps, please visit our website or contact your local Ideal Heating sales manager.